Bro came to visit. Sheesh. I'm mistaken, I think this is the battery. What's up, baby?
I want my phone to go like, because mommy made my phone die.
Okay, pues. I think this is the battery. Yep. Battery. 20 amps. Here you go. 48 volt. I'm gonna put it to charge. So by the time I have this put together, yeah, at least has some kind of charge so I could take it out to test drive. And this is how we're feeling. This is the charger. Let's see. Oh no, it's the accessory stuff. Oh, cool. Okay. Okay. The toolbox. That's pretty dope, actually. Okay. This away. Yep, there's the charger. There you go. Beautiful. Alrighty. Let's get this started. So something I just noticed with the battery and the videos that I was watching online, it shows this USB port, but I guess it wasn't functional. But now that I'm opening it up right now, it actually is a USB port. Try to charge stuff, so that's a plus. So we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to charge right now. Open it. This is what the connector looks like. Boom, charging. Seems like the red light is on. So that's holding the handlebars right now. I'm gonna do that last because I don't want the handlebars to drop. I'm gonna take care of this right now. That's pretty good. I like this little foam thing. They kept it. I guess it's to keep the bike safe from any damage and stuff. It's actually pretty good though. Alright, done. This are easy to remove. Just pull them off. Oh man, that looks fucking sexy. Look at that. Alright, so this is what I have so far. Check it out. It's practically almost complete. You gotta put the front fender, the headlight, and the battery. And we could test it out today. It's all set up now. Just make sure I don't have anything else needs to get removed. I think I'm golden.